welcome. So I just wanted to do a quick video to show you all my whips and ideas and what I've got going on, because I've not posted in months. So my first thing is that I've decided I want to make a swimwear brand, a knitted crochet swimwear accessory brand. So I did make this for my friend. It is a new pattern that I have designed. It's currently up on Etsy, so I'll link that in the description. But this is one bikini. I'm still working on the bottoms, trying to get the stitch count right, because I'm using a thinner yarn than the one I made for my friend, and this is the same kind of yarn. So that's two. I love this colorway. I think it's so cute. Brown and green. I have done this one. This is not my pattern. This is a pattern I found on Etsy. I'll link it. But I love it. I love the adjustable, all the adjustable things. And these are my design, matching bottoms. This is gonna be my pattern. This is my pattern, which you can find. I couldn't find a thong cheeky bikini bottom anywhere, so I decided to create my own. I'm also working on another bikini top with beads, because I want to sell them, of course. I think it's sold. I think that is so cute. I need to do this cup today is my plan. And then a striped bikini cup, which is one. And what I am working on crochet wise is this top. There will be a pattern very soon. I'm currently looking for testers, whilst also making a new one and making my pattern. This one's done with a 4mm hook, this one's a 2.5, so it's going to be a little bit wider and more rows, so I need to see which one works the best. And I think that is it. This is my concha crop top, which has been out for so long. It's one of my most popular crochet patterns. I'm also moving to the beach, which is why my brain's like, make lots of bikinis in 1 month, and I want to try to sell them down there. That's it. If you would like to make your own bikini, I have a crochet and a knit pattern, so I'll link them both below, and the girls' bikini top. Thank you and goodbye.